Hey guys, so it's me, Moist Andy again, and I want to teach you a few tips and tricks here, just because it's a nice day to be outside, nice dry weather. That's that's how August usually is around here. So let's see if we can get this. See, my tripod is broken, so I have to compromise. Balancing on top of my helmet right now. Oh yeah, it's like right on top of my bicycle helmet. Holy crap. So that's actually balancing perfectly. That's incredible. Yeah, so I don't know if y'all really tried before, but the underside of the posterior knee has a nice skin, and it's like a pocket here. This one is a little easier. So that's pretty cool, but there's other things on this earth that our bodies are capable of producing certain noises. Like you could just turn both of your two hands into a flute, as long as all your fingers are anatomically correct in this position. It's just a flute. You just cup your hands, just like you cup your hands when you need a drink of water, when you brush your teeth or something. You just cup your hands like this and make your two thumbs bent at an obtuse angle, just like that. And then you blow across the gap downwards. So there's probably plenty of other sources on YouTube where you can gather and to obtain and to produce this kind of sort of effect, this sound effect. See, I got this nice microphone on top of this digital camera right now, and I'm sure it's picking up plenty of things with all that gain, and should be no noise at all. There's just like the white noise from the ambient wind and the trees rustling and the leaves and the cars on top of the Georgetown River Road above it. Like there's like this bridge. It's a highway. It's pretty detailed infrastructure in this area, in my opinion. I'm sure you can tell. It's pretty bright and sunny out today. Oh yeah. And so you see the Potomac is just out here and Roslyn's across the bridge. The Key Bridge, the Francis Scott Key Bridge. And I really don't know what kind of construction they're doing over here, but I don't really care because I mainly stay in Virginia. I stay where I belong, But this is just nice to come out here sometimes. Let me see if I could balance this camera again. Perfectly on the tip top of my bicycle helmet. Oh my god, how did I do that? See, y'all don't understand. My tripod completely, like, I lost the screw, it just fell out. Like, I can't put that thing back together, and it's all flimsy anyways. It wobbles so much. Yeah, what I need is like a very portable tripod that extend to a long distance, Oh, and I also need to get a new computer because my computer has to be like I can't do anything unless it's in safe mode because the video card driver, the AMD graphics card driver, the firmware, it got a little bit of malware or something. And y'all, it's crazy what happened. I could show you exactly how it affected the display. Because like when I would play Gary's Mod, for instance, or even just any Half-Life games in general, this shit happened, y'all. Look at this. What's that supposed to be? Like, it's like all the geometry just all mangled, and the text, the chat from the text, as you can see, it's not looking very. I mean, that's not how Gary's Mod is supposed to look. Maybe in if you think outside the box though, maybe like you could walk around in a level like that and see all the shapes of the models shifting around and the textures are all messed up and stuff. That's crazy. But yeah, that's just how my computer's behaving, and I can't do anything anymore. It's been like that for like 2 months, man. I need a new computer. I'm willing to spend $1,500 on a new computer because I need the whole package, the complete 128 gigs of RAM and a bunch of terabytes of hard drive space, and I really need it like to have a fast CPU because I like to multitask. I like to run Photoshop, I like to edit videos, and I like to render 3D animation, and I like to do all kinds of other automated tasks, and just generally surfing the web in general and downloading stuff. Like, I want to be able to do all that faster and to do it all at one time, have all kinds of windows open, and eventually I'll get the latest version of Blender. I'll have millions of polygons on all of my sculptures, and I can make very very fine details with the pen. Just get right in all the little crevices and to elaborate on my art, because that's kind of important. You don't want to have a dull looking piece of art. It has to be unique. It has to be very organic, but also very complex.